Ayun na, pumunta si alias Totoy kahapon. Nag-file siya ng case. So they have to have, nag-serve notice na kami sa active police personnel. And then they will give their counter affidavit. So we plan to, depending on their counter affidavit, then we'll go through the normal process. DOJ is in the process of doing a case build-up. Magkasama kami ng DOJ to come up with a rational conclusion to the missing Sabongero story.
So, paano po kung may matisod? NBI or PFP or the NAPOL?
No sacred cows.
So, kung meron pong may matisod na local chief executive,
No sacred cows. Kung kahit mayor, kahit governor, kahit senator, basta kasama sila doon sa Alpha Group na yan, anyone involved in the Alpha Group will be charged kung kung tama ang case builder. Yes, accounted for sila. Pero 15 yan lahat yung tatlo yata na active personnel. 15 yung suspected na armed group, private armed group na gumagalaw nung para sa Mrs. Sabogueros. Yung 12 accounted for na. Sila yung mga active.
so lahat ng alpha groups yung
Si Totoy ay nagbigay na ng listahan. It's under verification now. So, more or less alam na ng DOJ kung sino yung Alpha Group. Ba't sila natanong mo kung sino yun? Okay? Ayan. Ayos na.
May na-identify na possible kung saan yung na
Meron na daw?
hindi na pagkakao. Sir, ano po ang
Well, it brings us closer to the conclusion of the story. It all ties up now. Sinabi ni alias Totoy, kung nakita yon, kasi may video tayo ng abduction, may video tayo ng forced confession. Ngayon kung mahanap yung katawan, then it all ties up that it is a conspiracy, a grand conspiracy amongst all of them. Kung yung hip bone na yun ties up to one of the basic Sabongeros, then it will be conclusive already na nagko-corroborate ang buong storya ni Alias Totoy kung paano nangyari from beginning to end.
So, sir, possible na mapadali po kami sa panatili
Ang standards kasi ng DOJ is reasonable certainty for conviction. So dahan-dahan talaga nilang tinatahi lahat yan. Pag may natahila nila, kami ni General Torre ang mag-aaresto sa kanila kung sino man sila. And I repeat, no sacred cows. Wala kaming sasambahin dito. Okay?